Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Mommy Monday video. If you are new here, my name is Melissa. I am currently pregnant with my second baby and I'm in the 3rd trimester. So it is go time. We are nesting. We are getting ready for baby. And one of the things that I filmed during my first pregnancy, and you guys really liked it, that video still gets tons of views, is my postpartum bathroom baskets. And since this is my second baby, I have a good idea of the supplies that I needed and I didn't need and stuff that I wish I had had. So I actually just got done putting together my postpartum bathroom baskets for this pregnancy, and I thought I would show you what's in them this time. A lot of it is the same, but there are a couple of differences. So we're gonna go through it. I think the biggest thing to keep in mind is if you are coming home from the hospital and there is more than one bathroom in your house that you typically use. So like we have a 2-story house. I will be upstairs probably most of the time. I will be upstairs in our bedroom, but I'm downstairs sometimes too. Our kitchen is downstairs. Our living room is downstairs. And so there's a good possibility that I will be downstairs for some of the time as well. So have a little bathroom station, what I'm gonna show you, ready in every single bathroom that you plan on using postpartum. Just trust me, you want your supplies there. It's worth it to buy doubles or triples to just be ready. That is my biggest piece of advice, is just have stuff in every bathroom. So on that note, let's show you what's in the bathroom. Okay, so I can't believe I'm showing you guys my toilet. We're gonna pull the basket out so I'm not spending all my time in this little toilet room, but this is what the toilet room in our bathroom and our bedroom bathroom looks like. So this little basket fits perfectly right there. If you have a little toilet room like this, I'm gonna link, if I can find it, this little basket for you guys. It's perfect. It just scoots in the corner right there. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Another word of advice is a tiny trash can like that is not going to work postpartum. It's gonna fill up so fast because of the pads that you're wearing, the diapers that baby has. So make sure you have some full-size trash bags somewhere because you're gonna need more trash space. I usually have like a full-size trash bag and I'll hang it like right there. Make sure your bathrooms are stocked with toilet paper, plentiful toilet paper, have a bunch. I typically have 12 rolls in here. Also, we have just like flushable adult wipes. These are helpful, not right away postpartum, but definitely once you get past the peri-bottle stage, having like wipes are just nice, you know, to wipe down there and feel clean. So just having that stuff handy in all of your bathrooms is a good idea in general, but we're gonna go over mostly what's in here. Okay, so let's start with what's on top here. Now, once I actually get into the postpartum phase, I'm sure the organization of this will not be as neat and tidy, and I might move some of the top stuff down to the bottom and some of the bottom stuff up to the top, just because my needs will be different during that time than they are right now. So keep that in mind, but the top ideally is gonna be for those like quick things that you need. So Dermaplast, I was given a bottle of this in the hospital, but you can buy these off of like Target, Amazon, whatever. I think I got mine off of Target. Great to have. I also, my first time around, had the Earth Mama like witch hazel one. Didn't work. Not worth the money. In my opinion, just not strong enough. I say, you know what, you are postpartum, just use the good stuff. So Dermaplast is really nice, especially if you have stitches from tearing. Even if you don't have any tears or stitches, you're just sore down there after a vaginal birth. So having this is really, really nice. So a can of those in each bathroom. A peri bottle is a must. They will definitely give you one of these in the hospital, but the Frida Mom peri bottle is so much better, you guys. I think it's the angle that it's on. It just, you hold it upside down and when you squeeze the bottle, it squirts out at like the perfect angle. The one they give you in the hospital, it does the job, but it's this one is better. So I have one of these in each bathroom, and then the Tux Witch Hazel pads. Those are nice. We also did get some of those in the hospital. They gave me a little tub of those. Those are nice if you have hemorrhoids. You just kind of like line your pad with those, and it helps. Take them or leave them, so not everyone gets hemorrhoids also, so it just depends. I know they have more uses than just that. They are soothing and cooling also in that aspect, but I really liked the Dermoplast my first time around, so those are definitely going to stay on the top. Right now I have panty liners on the top because I'm using them currently at this stage of my pregnancy, but postpartum panty liners, you don't use those until few weeks into postpartum, so I'll probably end up moving some of this stuff up there, but you will need them postpartum eventually, but not right away. So that's the top shelf. Second shelf is my little smorgasbord of pads. So first time around with my first pregnancy, all I had and all I was prepared for were these big giant overnight pads. Do not get me wrong, you definitely need those, especially the first couple of days postpartum, even a couple of weeks postpartum. You need the big ones, whether you get the full size or the thin, you need the overnight ones because you will be bleeding a lot. A lot of people choose to use Depends or adult diapers. I had those, I still have those from my first. I wasn't a big fan, maybe I got the wrong size, I don't know. I just preferred to use pads. I felt like they were less wasteful, to be honest. So, but what I did find out probably a week postpartum was that I don't always need the big giant pads. I didn't bleed as heavy as I thought for as long as I thought, and I ended up needing to size down. So Always makes like different sizes. They have like 5 different sizes. So I have the overnight ones, which are the biggest ones. I think those are just like the heavy flow, the number 3s, and then the regular ones. So if I'm being honest, I actually used the regular ones the longest, for like probably 3 or 4 weeks postpartum. I used the big heavy ones for maybe a week and a half. And then I used the green ones in between. So I have them all. I have them all ready to go. I have multiple packs of each, so I'm ready and I'm prepared. But just make sure you know that you may or may not bleed as heavy as you think for as long as you think. You know what I mean? Hence the panty liners also. And then on the bottom, I have my extras. I have my backups. This is a new addition to my postpartum baskets. These are the Freedom Mom postpartum underwear. These are the boy short ones. They also have briefs. I think the briefs are more for C-sections. I hope to not have to have a C-section. I hope to be able to have a vaginal birth again. So I prepared and bought the boy short ones. A lot of people swear by the hospital underwear. Guys, I didn't like the hospital underwear at all. I felt like they were too stretchy for me. And when I had a big giant pad in there that was full, they just sagged and they didn't feel very secure or very snug on me, and I didn't like them. So these are much different. They're definitely a thicker material. They're disposable too, so you wear them once and then you throw them out. I do not think they're meant to be like washed and reused over and over and over again. But they have the same concept. They're kind of like a thick gauze. They're stretchy, they're boy short, but they just definitely feel more secure than the hospital underwear that my hospital provided. Now, if you have a different hospital, which I'm sure every single one of you has a different hospital, I don't think anyone's giving birth at the hospital I gave birth at. Maybe, if you live in Charlotte, North Carolina, but you know, maybe your hospital has different underwear, but I wasn't a fan of mine. So I got these this time around. I'm hoping that I like them. And threw a few in my hospital bag so that I can wear these instead of the hospital ones at the hospital. And then I have some here for postpartum. So these will probably end up moving up here to the top shelf eventually. So, but that's the only thing postpartum wise I plan on bringing with me to the hospital. At the hospital, they provide you with pads. They provide you with dermoplast, they provide you with a peri bottle, they provide you with the tux pads, they give you everything that you need. They even give you the underwear, you know, but so yeah, that is my postpartum bathroom basket. I think this is pretty well stocked, pretty good to go. I can't really see myself needing anything other than what's in here for my postpartum period. So I hope that this was helpful for you guys. If you have any other suggestions or questions or things like that, of course, leave them in the comment section down below. But that's it for today. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.